In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hostinger's customer support team effectively to address any issues or questions you might have. Understanding how to reach out to them can save you time and ensure that your concerns are addressed swiftly. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open Hostinger's official website. You can do this by simply typing hostinger.com into your web browser's address bar. Once on their homepage, you'll find yourself surrounded by a myriad of options and offers, but don't let that distract you. We're here for customer support, so let's focus on that. Next, look towards the right-hand side of the top navigation bar. You should see a Help or Support option there. Clicking on this option will direct you to Hostinger's Help Center. This hub is designed to assist you with various common issues, and it's packed with articles and guides that might have exactly what you need. Scrolling through this could provide immediate answers, saving you a lot of time if your query is common. However, if your concern requires personal attention or isn't covered in the articles, you'll want to hit the Contact Us or Support button you see on this page. This is often located at the bottom of the Help Center page. Clicking this will open up more direct support options. For Hostinger users, there's typically an online live chat feature available. This is one of the most efficient ways to get in touch with a real support agent. You'll find this chat button located in the bottom right corner of your screen as a small speech bubble icon. When you click on it, you may be prompted to log in to your Hostinger account. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to enter your credentials. Being logged into your account not only helps verify your identity but also ensures that the support team can access your data to assist you more effectively. Once within the chat interface, you can type out your inquiry. Make sure to describe your issue as clearly and concisely as possible. The more detail you provide, the easier it will be for the support agent to understand and help you resolve your issue quickly. Details such as relevant error messages, account information, or recent changes you've made can be very helpful here. Responses from Hostinger's support team are generally swift, which is a great relief when you're dealing with technical issues. If for some reason, you prefer a different method of communication, Hostinger also offers email support. Often, the email option can be located in the same Contact Us section you found earlier. Simply click on it to reveal the necessary information on how to contact them via email. And that, folks, wraps up today's tutorial on contacting Hostinger support. Whether it's through their detailed help center, the convenience of live chat, or the formality of email, Hostinger provides you with multiple ways to get the help you need. I hope this guide helps you navigate your way to a solution with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.